In this video, we will show the best camera under 50,000 rupees in India 2020. At number 1, Nikon D5600 runner-up pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Canon EOS M50 overall best pick. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Panasonic LUMIX G7 best camera for videos. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Sony Alpha ILCE7M 3K best mirrorless camera. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Fujifilm X-A7 mirrorless camera honorable mention. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.